Hello friends, welcome to this video. This video highlights the core concepts of the most sensational new education policy of India 2020. I am Dr. Evangeline Whitehead, created this video and presenting it. The policy covers Part 1, School Education, Part 2, Higher Education, and Part 3, Other areas of education to focus. Providing universal access to quality education is the key to India's continued ascent and leadership on the global stage. The pursuit of knowledge, Jnana, wisdom, pragya, and truth, satya, are always Indian philosophy and the highest human goal. Fundamental principles of the National Education Policy 2020. Recognizing, identifying, and fostering the unique capabilities of each student by sensitizing teachers as well as parents. Achieving foundational literacy and numeracy by all students by grade 3 and have multidisciplinary holistic education. Emphasis on conceptual understanding rather than rote learning, and to encourage creativity and critical thinking. Promoting multilingualism and the power of language in teaching and learning, and have life skills like communication and teamwork. Focus on regular formative assessment for learning and extensive use of technology. Synergy in curriculum across all levels of education and have full equity and inclusion in education. Substantial investment in a strong, vibrant public education systems as well as encouragement of community participation. Part 1, School Education. The image. It's a courtesy of National Education Policy 2020, Government of India, MHRD. Restructuring school curriculum and pedagogy in a new 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 design. The foundational stage. 3 years in Anganwadi and 2 years in primary school in grades 1 to 2, both together covering ages 3 to 8. Preparatory stage covers grades 3 to 5, covering ages 8 to 11. Middle stage covers grades 6 to 8, covering ages 11 to 14. Secondary stage. Grades 9 to 12 in 2 phases, that is 9 and 10 in the first and 11 and 12 in the second, covering ages 14 to 18. Over 85% of a child's cumulative brain development occurs prior to the age of 6. Children need flexible, multi-phased learning. Early Childhood Care and Education, shortly called ECCE. ECCE covers multi-level, play-based, activity-based and inquiry-based learning comprising of alphabets, languages, numbers, counting, colors, shapes, indoor and outdoor play, puzzles and logical thinking, problem solving, drawing, painting and other visual art, craft, drama, puppetry, music and movement. Part 2. Higher education. Quality higher education must aim to develop good, thoughtful, well-rounded and creative individuals. Disciplines include sciences, social sciences, arts, humanities, languages, as well as professional, technical and occasional subjects. Replacing UGC and AICTE with the Higher Education Commission of India and open up Indian higher education to foreign countries. Reintroduction of the 4-year multidisciplinary bachelor's program with exit options and to offer different designs for master's programs. Light but tight regulation by a single regulator for higher education is implemented. Part 3. Other key areas of focus. Professional education, agricultural education, adult education, lifelong learning, promotion of Indian languages, arts and culture, use of technology and integration and online and digital education, ensuring equitable use of technology are the key areas of focus. Importance of teacher education. Teacher education is vital in creating a pool of school teachers that will shape the next generation. The 4-year integrated Bachelor of Education program offered by such multidisciplinary HEIs will by 2030 become the minimal degree qualification for school teachers. The faculty profile in departments of education will necessarily aim to be diverse but teaching, field, research experience will be highly valued. National Higher Education Regulatory Council, shortly called NHERC, will function as the common single point regulator for the higher education. Any policy's effectiveness and success depends on its implementation. I am sure our Indian government will make this policy a successful one. This video is created with an interest to create awareness about the National Education Policy 2020. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you one and all.